Are you someone who believes in doing things the right way the first time? Do you find value in creating order in your life? Well, if that describes you, you likely have consistency in your top 5 of your Clifton Strengths. And in today's episode, we're going to explore the consistency theme, and we're starting right now. Hey everyone, my name is Gordon, and welcome to another episode. If this is your first time with us and you want to learn more about Clifton Strengths, leading a strengths-based life, or anything else leadership related, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification so you don't miss any of our cool updates or any of our newest episodes. So we are continuing to progress our way through the Clifton Strengths 34, and we're having a great time navigating these 34, learning along the way, really exploring the essence of these Clifton Strengths themes and how they're going to make us better, more effective, and more efficient in all that we do. But before we get into today's theme of consistency, share with me in the comments below. Tell me which of your top 5 are you working on? Which theme is resonating with you today? Which one are you focused on? Which one are you building your strengths and skills and talents around? Share that with me in the comments below, and we're going to jump right in. So today's theme is consistency. So consistency is a relationship building theme. So the first thing that I think about when considering consistency is that it's really about maintaining order in someone's life. That's something that they value. They understand the concept of right and wrong, and they are really driven by the values, the principles, and the ethics that they have in their life. This is kind of fundamental to the person that's high in consistency. But also people who thrive in the consistency theme, it's really about building trust. They're really adept at building relationships and developing relationships over time. They value building relationships. They value finding like-minded individuals and connecting with them, and then working towards a common goal and a common purpose. Now, one caveat with consistency is that sometimes people high in consistency can be seen as being rigid or inflexible. And that's not really the case, but more of something for folks with consistency to be mindful of, to think about, how do I stay adaptable? How do I stay flexible? And how do I stay open-minded to new and different perspectives that may not immediately connect with my perspective or my view? These are the things that people who have consistency high and they're functioning at their highest level, kind of maximizing their talents and their strengths, they understand that. So they want to maintain that order. They want to build those relationships. And yes, they want to be steadfast in their principles and their values and their beliefs and the things that really matter to them. But they also, when they're operating at their highest level, they do respond and respect the fact that they need to remain kind of adaptable, flexible, and open to new and different ideas. When people can understand that these major components help them be effective in maximizing that consistency theme, they will be more effective on their teams. They'll be better leaders, and they'll be just better people who are maximizing their productivity and their effectiveness in their working environments and throughout their relationships in their lives as well. So there you have it. The Clifton Strengths consistency theme. Just a little bit of an intro to help you to understand the nuances of the consistency theme. As we move forward, if you like this channel, if you like the content, give us a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend. We want to continue to add value to people. We want to continue to amplify Clifton Strengths and leadership. We believe that those two components, Clifton Strengths and leadership, is really going to transform the work that we're doing in education and beyond. It's going to be really, really important as we move forward to continue to invest in ourselves, continue to invest in who we are and what we naturally bring to the table. So if you want to learn more about the Clifton Strengths 34, check the link up above. And for some of our guides and some of our information on Clifton Strengths and maximizing the introduction and the implementation of strengths, don't forget to check the pinned comments below and also the description below for more information on Clifton Strengths resources, etc. So it's always a privilege and a pleasure to serve this community. We want to continue to add value to you. We want to continue to share with you these insights to help you go further faster in the work that you're doing. So until we see you the next time, we wish you well, and we'll talk very soon. Bye, everyone.